Hey everyone, this is Skipper Mark, and I am so excited to show you something super exciting that Matt is working on today. Alright, so I kind of lied. What we're doing is not that exciting, but I had to keep your attention somehow. So what he did was he made this contraption here as a secondary anchor point. That way if the top strap here breaks, he's still got something that will keep the Waverunners from flipping off the trailer. And this here is actually a tow strap for PWCs that he bought online. If he has it, I'll get the link and put that in the description. And then he put this big hook here. It's actually just like the one on the main cable or main strap that came with the front jack. And he got that, and then he's got this little twisty buckle here that we thought we were actually going to have to use some chain to go between it, but it turned out to be such a short distance. He just used that and it reached. He then attached the buckle here to an eye hook, which he attached to this diagonal piece on the other side, and he put a bolt on there to hold it in place. Okay, so I'm going to record Matt doing mine in case you want to actually see how to do it. It's pretty straightforward, but figured I'd just show that as well. So the first thing he does is he's going to put a little Loctite, the blue Loctite, onto the bolt because we don't have a way to lock that nut on real tight. We don't have a lock nut, and kind of hard to see how he does it, but it kind of just goes in through the side piece there, the bracket. So what he did was on the other side over here, he put a flat washer and then just the one bolt. Not enough room to put a lock washer and the flat bolt. This here is, I don't know what they call it. It's a D loop or D ring or something like that. And it's attached to the tow hook. Basically makes it like a chain in a link. Or I can't even talk. A chain, you know, a link in a chain. You kind of just hook it over like that. Tighten it down, and when you tighten it down, that is what secures it. It makes it like a continuous loop almost. Matt is actually tightening that bolt down tight so that it's secure and doesn't open up or come loose while driving. Next step is to put the winch strap back on and then put the tow strap back on. It's maybe 10 or 12 inches long and just goes through the bow hook on the boat, and then it hooks to the tow hook contraption that Matt just made. Last thing we have to do is tighten the cotter pin on the other side of the hook there, the tow hook. Bend that down a little bit, but it's done. So yeah, if you have any questions about this, I know this wasn't a great video. I was kind of confused with some of my words, but if you have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to try to answer anything I can. But it is a good idea to have one of these on there, just because there is always a chance that, I don't know, the tow strap can come loose. Probably nothing will happen, but there's always a chance that something could. I mean, the main winch and cable is only held on, I'm calling it a cable, but it's a strap, is only held on by this little bracket right there, that little, like, I don't know what it's called, the little flippy thing, by one little tooth. So if something happens and that breaks, or the tow strap comes unhooked, you know, it could go flying off the boat or off the trailer. But having this extra strap on there is kind of perfect to give you extra peace of mind. And yeah, so I don't know what I'm trying to say. I'm so sorry. But if you have any questions about this, please leave a message in the comments, and I'll be happy to answer anything I can. As always, thanks for watching and have a great day.